Morning guys, it's Eamon here from Infrared Heating Ireland. So we're in Dublin 9 this morning. This is a great example of how effective infrared is. So this client has rads on the wall, has a burner out the back, very restricted on space for burners, they're using oil here. So what we're doing is we're removing, well, the client will remove all these heaters from the wall, rads from the wall. You can see here they already have started to do so. And then we're coming in, we're putting the panel on the ceiling. Now there was a pendulum light in the centre, but the client has opted to put some nice LED lights around the heater and put the heater in the centre of the ceiling. So this is the kitchen behind me here, and then this is the living room. So again, we have an SR8 which running costs around 20 cents an hour. It'll go in the centre of the room here. That pendulum light will go, and then we'll put in some 4 LED lights around the heater. We then move into a bathroom. There's a nice towel rail going here instead of this rad, and then we have the master bedroom, and then we have an office and the box room. So controls wise, then we'll be using our IR sun regulator. So this will regulate heat to the panel, which saves approximately 20% in energy consumption, because the panel is not switching on and off all the time. It's regulating heating output. So this is a more efficient way to control your infrared panels, and there'll be one of these for each zone, each area, and the hall here as well. By the way, we'll put a panel here in the hall. So for more information, do check out our website, infraredheat.ie.